we started Decorpot, like any other company, it was a very small shared space. That's how the journey started 10 years back. I was the first employee of Decorpot.
Everything was new for us. We did, it was like every day you need to learn how it is done.
Wow, it has been 10 years. Looks like it was yesterday. So a long journey. Started in 2014, 15 types. I was just trying to do my house and so that getting trust, getting quality, getting a good price in this industry was very, very difficult. Almost non-existent. And that is how Decorpot was built to solve each of these problems. To give trust to people that whatever you are paying for actually gets built and actually what you dream of can become true. So that's where we started Decorpot.
I think we started with a group of around 7 or 8 people, and we had one manual cutting machine, one expanding machine, and we used to do cold press there. It was a very small factory, around 5,000 square.
Starting from the initial struggles where a couple of houses, the founders went, I went, Somil went, all of us went together. We even mopped the floor, we cleaned the furniture ourselves.
Being whatsoever, we felt that we need to hustle. Our target was to, if we do one project, then we will run the company for another 1 month in next year. So we had a project to run the company for a year, and if we do one project, then we'll run the company for another month. So that was some target we had taken at that point in time.
Referral clients started increasing, then our volumes also started increasing. We had machine, we had manpower, and then with that we added technology. So that's how we evolved.
1 week to many months and many years now, we have a team of 700 plus people. So from small office to a bigger office.
Currently where we are 1,000 plus people team, doing 400 plus houses every month.
Expanding to different cities, different geographies in India, growing to 700 to 1,000 people company. We have grown patiently. We understood that if we want to make a sustainable company, a company where the fundamentals or the foundations are very, very strong, the only way to do is bring transparency, bring trust.
The foundation is set. In the initial 7 years, the base thoughts were to make it a very strong foundation-based company where we're not just running after any VC money or chasing the growth, but delivering happy homes every passing day.
It's a very emotional purchase of for a person, getting the interiors done, getting a home. So if we take an average, an Indian will buy one home. So he wants to decorate it beautifully. So it's our job, it's our mission to get that right. अगर interiors कराने इंडिया में तो एक ही नाम हो, which has to be Decorpot.
Nothing gives you more satisfaction than looking at a good review, looking at a good customer, a smiling customer. And when you meet a customer who tells you that, मजा आ गया, आपने मेरा घर बहुत अच्छा बनाया. That's where you feel that you have earned something in the last 10 years.